Alright. Restored carburetors. Kingston. I'm not sure if it's an L4 or what it is. Let me get a light. Maybe one of you guys know. It just says Kingston on it. Anyway, restored, as you can see. Still got the tag on it. Guessing it's been on the shelf for about 30 years. Edmund Leland restored them. So those two are restored. Those are brass bodies. These are steel. Get the light back. A little different. As found. Don't know a thing about them. Sorry, getting out of shot there. This one appears to be the same as the first. Except, of course, 26, 27 on the top. I can't read the tag on this one either. Maybe somebody out there can. It won't focus. Anyway, I've decided to sell these. The restored ones are obviously going to be more money than the as found. So if you're interested, if you want to buy them, throw me an offer if I still have them. You might be the new owner. So, I promised y'all I'd make a video of some of the carburetors. I've got buckets of them out back. I just don't have the room in here to store them, so I'm going to do them a few at a time. I'll start with these 4, see how they go. If there's a market for them, I'll bring some more out. And if there isn't, then I'll put these back on the shelf and they can sit for another 30 years. My kids can sell them.